So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do a quick update review on the market. Today's on Wednesday, so I want to go through what happened on Monday, Tuesday, and what might possibly have happened today, and what will happen or might happen today. Um, Thank you for giving me your time. I am also talking to my brother, so these are the this is a mentorship that I kind of dedicated to my brother, but I just thought maybe uploading it on YouTube might help another person who was suffering from the same disease as me, and profitability and consistency. But obviously that is consistency because consistency um brings profitability because inconsistency you that's where you find the skill, and that's where you'll make money. So anybody who just comes to the market and you have this idea that you're going to make millions overnight, you are not you're not doing something good to yourself. I used to do that, and it hurt me every time I tried to trade because I just found myself over trading of or or just over leveraging, and I just want to rush the process, but I just can't realize that if you just slow down for a week, just a week, don't, hey, just try and slow down for a week. If that don't work out, you're not supposed to be a trader. Yep, you're not supposed to be a trader. Because when you slow down, that's when you start realizing that this thing is not random. This thing is not about gambling. And then you start seeing these patterns in the market, and then you start realizing that, oh, I see why the brain only I see why we see what the brain can comprehend. And y- when our brain doesn't seem to comprehend what we are doing, we do not see the truth. We tend to think that we are seeing the truth, but we are seeing what we want to see. Maybe why don't you think about that for a moment? Yep, don't rush yourself. Don't rush yourself. I'm also talking to my future me because I know I'll be listening to these videos and I'll be like, damn. By the way, I'm 2.5 years down the market, but I've been like I've been like seeing this ICT shit for like a year, but like real going deep into ICT, I've been like for 5 months. I haven't like gotten a chance to practice what you know all these things, but I am seeing them in the market, and I am happy. I am very happy, very happy because the truth is one. These people out here just wanna separate you and think that you're better than the other. You're not. You are never better than the other. Nope. We are all the same. If you think you're better than the other, you are not supposed to be. You are. You're not a human, bro. Just go. Just go be a military or something. They're not humans too. I'm not offending nobody, bro. I just think that no, they not the only one. Even all these people who are just slaves of a system. You are just you don't want to face yourself. You don't want to do that. You you know. Oh my god. Um. So let's quickly go. What you're seeing here is the 4 hour. time frame, and this is the best time frame like I can advise a trader to keep on using because this will slow you down. This will show you the real move. This will show you how you're going to interact with the market when you're sober. Because when you are slowed down, you are sober. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we can see that um here was where we open. We've been having quite a weird um price delivery because I actually thought that this was gonna take out this liquidity, but I think this imbalance slowed it down. But when it does so, you are able to see that. I don't know if you're able to see that. When it wanna slow down, it will show you. When it wanna slow down, it will show you. It is talking to you. Stop trying to guess everything you're doing, bro. This thing is talking to us. You understand? And I don't even know. Sometimes I talk, but I don't even know what I'm doing. But I think, I think I got these very huge downloads, and I'm, I don't know. I'm just being me, and I find myself getting better, thinking better, because I'm reading. I don't know. If you try that, that will make you a better person. Be open to information, because when you are open to everything without judging, you are ahead of everybody, bro. Yep, you are ahead of everybody, and you will start facing situations as they are and not as you are. Understand? That's the difference. When you face situations as they are, you are able to interact with everybody. Get that, bro? Yeah, yeah, I know you get that. I know you get that. That's good, bro. I love you, bro. Um, he'll be listening to these videos like I don't know, 2 years later or 3 years later. I don't know. I don't know when he will wanna start trading because I don't wanna rush that into him. But I had to rush me. I had to rush me. I was the only one who was gonna save my family. And if I didn't do this shit, if like I went to school and shit first, like without trying to be in the street and figuring how I could get some dollars, I don't know, bro. I'd be cooked as fuck. But I wanted to pursue music. I would have I would have been a producer or something. I'm still working on that. I'm still working because that's what I love. I love music. But if I wasn't like if I didn't come across trading, I don't know, man. I don't know what I would be doing in the internet because I just knew I wanted to be in the internet making money. But I did computer science, and I dropped out. She wasn't. I I thought trading was like a better course for me if you because I advise you if you want to take trading as a joke or as a sport, please leave it. Don't do that. This is a business, and with businesses, you don't want to you don't want to play around business. You don't want to play around business. Yeah, yeah, you heard me. You don't want to do that. Um, so we open here. You can see that I am also using these. This is a this is a sell side imbalance. This is an this is an FVG, a fair value gap, but this is a sell side imbalance. You understand? This is a sell side imbalance, and it's got this buy side inefficiency. So that's why we call it a CB. I'm gonna be real cool with you right here. Wait, bro. CB. Get that? CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. You understand that, bro? Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Um, I can see you can actually understand where the market is opening and how it's delivering because you can see this is the opening, this is the delivery. See a five. You I don't know. I'll count to time. Just wait. I'll count to time. Just wait. Just wait. Just hold on. Hold on. Because these imbalances that I am teaching you here, this is algorithmic tr- price delivery. But it's gotta be associated with time for it to work. Understand? So this is the algorithmic price delivery, but it's using time. What's down here? What's down here? What's down here? Time. You can see time. That's all there is in the markets, bro. You don't have to go make up your own things. Just come here, understand what's happening. Don't go make your own stupid shit out there and think that you're trading. No, don't go out there and just because you want to be a bad you want to be real bad and you want to be real bad. You gonna start going for some stupid information. Just relax. I'm gonna show you these things, and they. I'm surprised to also witness this myself because, bro, I was doing stupid shit for like a year and a half, bro. That is stupid. I was going the wrong direction. I was I was fucked up, and you don't want to be fucked up. You don't want to be fucked up, bro. That's why I am doing this. I'm doing this for you. And this video that I am showing here is from like how do you for those that are coming right now, it's how do you deal with the market as it is. Not as you are, not what you're thinking about, as it is. And that's where you'll start becoming profitable. Let that sink in. So I have switched to the daily time frame. What I am really focusing on right now, um, in the daily time frame is this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It is in pain brown. I don't know if you see colors, but this here. See that? I'm also looking at that consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. That's very important. Very important. I'm also aware of this here. You should also include it when you're dealing with the fair value gap. You should include this volume imbalance. Shouldn't leave it. But I just put this here, but I'm still aware of this here. Understand? How am I aware of it? It's the high new day opening up Thursday. Let me see that? Damn, this guy's a fucking genius. Oh no, I'm not a genius. I'm just here to show you that you can do this. Yeah, bro. So that's very important. If we wanna reach out higher, we wanna come for this buy side liquidity, we are gonna wanna see the market use this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency as an inversion fair value gap. It's very important. If we wanna see if we wanna see price delivering to this sell side liquidity, because it can. You don't wanna You don't want to come here and think of what you want to do. You want to observe what the market is gonna do. That's all I got, bro. Oh my god, I'm just spitting some shit, bro. So if we want to deliver to these here, we want to see no candlesticks closing above these consequent encroachment. And we already start to seeing that, these candles start building here. What they doing? What they doing? Yesterday, I have a bro, I have another brody. We trading together. We've been like in this shit for like I don't know ever since 2024 something. Yeah, bro, we've been pushing. I was telling him, see this minor buy side liquidity here, this one here, what's that? 5,091.930. The high on Wednesday, 4th February 2026. That minor buy side there. I told him, bro, the way this candlestick closed, this one yesterday, and I'm gonna show you that. I was I was sure we were gonna come to this minor buy side, and that's what I took a trade. Um, I took a trade at exactly 6:04. No, at around 6:10 p.m. See, right now it's 6:08, and so the new position is about to get in. I took a trade. I bought, and my take profit just got hit right now. And I want to see. Remember, you want to see how price will behave around this money by side liquidity. We also have some other imbalances that we're gonna want to see them being used in the lower time frame, and that's what I was saying. I was talking about the 4 time frame. So this is the daily time frame. Get to see that here. Don't worry about all these. These are new day opening gaps where they're closely clustered. Like here, you know that there's a lot of accumulation, and accumulation leads to other accumulation. That's yeah. I want to talk the truth to everybody, bro. So we seen this. Now we want to come to the lower time frame, the 4 time frame. So this video might be cut in a moment. Um, I'm going to go through the 4 time frame in the next video. So don't go away. If you want to listen to more, don't go away. Just jump right into the next video.